Hello, everyone. Welcome to Install Mania. Are you looking for a powerful, lightweight, and completely free code editor for your Windows 11 PC? Then you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 the right way. Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular code editors used by developers all over the world. It's fast, customizable, and supports almost every programming language. So, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. Now go to the search bar. Type Visual Studio Code and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Visual Studio Code website. Once the homepage loads, you will see a download button for Windows. Click on Download for Windows. If you want a more stable setup, you can choose the system installer for x64. Click on it, and the download will start within a few seconds. If you're using Internet Download Manager, your download may start automatically with faster speed. I've already created a separate video on how to install Internet Download Manager, so feel free to check that out. Now, wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder or desktop. You will see the Visual Studio Code setup file. Double-click on the setup file to begin installation. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes. Now, accept the license agreement and click Next. In the next step, you'll see several additional tasks. Make sure all the options are checked, especially Add to Path and Create Desktop Icon. If anything is unchecked, simply enable all options. Then click Next, and after that, click on Install. The installation process will take only a few moments. Once the installation is complete, click on the Finish button. And now, your Visual Studio Code editor is ready to use. You can now start coding, install extensions, and customize your development environment exactly the way you want. That's it for this tutorial. In this video, I showed you how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. And if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to follow the page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.